Hi, Jeff and Cassandra. This is Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Cassandra. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow to start beating Lawnsmith. If you type in Roofing Dallas TX, these guys show up first. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be for you to beat them yourselves. And I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. I just found out a lot of roofing contractors out there are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, most people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and say, Devin, I like you. I don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, great job on the website. I don't know if you guys designed it in-house or if you paid somebody, but it's a clean-looking website. It's really nice. You guys have a lot of content on here, really nice fonts, nice images. It's a nice custom site. Now, what Google mostly does care about when it comes to ranking your website is all this content right here. And the average website has 1,500 words, and it looks like you're almost right at that point, if not more. No, you're at 1,000, so you're almost there. Like I said, almost at that point. But by getting yourself to 1,500 words, not only is it going to make you an authority in Google's eyes, it's also going to give you more room to fit in keywords. Now, a keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from you. So I pulled up some for you. Feel free to pause this video and write these down and put these inside your content, because you'll see how valuable they are. Like, for example, Roofing Dallas TX. 400 people search that every month. Or Dallas Roofing Company, 500 people search that every month. So imagine if you were number 1 for those 2 keywords. That means 900 people who search for roofing every month would find you first. Imagine how much that would change your business. It'd be crazy, right? So you want to make sure that you have keywords like Roofing Dallas TX and stuff like that inside of your content. And I could see you are doing that in a couple places. So good job. Just make sure you spread out amongst all these. There's different ones. There's Roofers Dallas, Roofer Dallas TX, Dallas Roofing, stuff like that. And then also make sure you save your images as keywords here. So like instead of image 8243, this could be Roofing Dallas TX, and that'll appear on all of your pages, right? Or this is a video. This could be Roofers Dallas TX. And this one could be, solar panels Dallas TX, something like that. Or if you, I don't know, yeah, you guys do sell solar too. So, oh yeah, obviously, Ready Roofing and Solar. Okay, so that's my first tip for you regarding content. Just 1,500 words of content, as well as making sure you have keywords inside of your content, and then save your images as keywords. After that, I'm gonna talk to you about backlinks. So a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And I know you already know this. I looked at the back end of your site, but I want to tell you that not all backlinks are created equal. Google wants to see trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website by linking to your website. So you're gonna have a lot more power having like other roofing or other construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool called Ahrefs to check out backlinks, but you don't need to pay for it. Just Google Backlink Checker. You could find the same data for free. And it says you have 360 backlinks or websites linking to you, which is more than Lawnsmith. They only have 332. But like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. They've done all the hard work for you, though, because if these 332 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like, with these ones, Angie, Yellow Pages, Super Pages, you just join or create a free account or create a free profile, put a link in your profile back to your homepage, and boom, you've got a backlink. So it's pretty simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content and you beat them with backlinks, those 2 tips are what get you ranked organically here. And my last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 here, you just need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information. Kind of like, Yelp or GAF, Better Business Bureau, Angie, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories New View Roofing was in, put myself in the same ones, and then add a bunch on top. So if New View was in like 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that's all I have for you, Jeff and Cassandra. I hope you all found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords in there like Roofing Dallas TX, Dallas Roofers. I see you have a couple of them. Just make sure you fit more in there and fit them within your photos as well. And when I say fit more in there too, I don't mean stuff everything. One of the benefits of going higher in content above your 959 is you can fit more of them in organically to a way that doesn't look bad for your customers, which Google cares about. Then you want to get the websites linking from Lawnsmith back to yourself. and put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than NewView. And if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, I know you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. And I know you guys obviously have a team doing this. I mean, you have a beautiful website and you already have links going to you. So this is a great route to go. I just recommend you get started on this as soon as possible because your competitors are actively doing this, especially in Dallas. And so the less time you take to get started, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting it done, give me a call anytime. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Cassandra. I hope this video was helpful for you, Jeff, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. See ya.